Kevin Durant versus Russell Westbrook. This is the second meeting of their careers since Kevin Durant left Russell Westbrook out to dry. First quarter action. Nice pass inside, threading the needle. See, he was running whoever offense, posting up Steph Curry. Now he makes a crazy shot, banking it off the glass. Very competitive here in the first half. Durant almost loses it, but pops it from the free throw line, making it look easy. In transition, a smooth bounce pass. Durant flushes it. And now we've got some drama. Zaza hits Russell Westbrook with a flagrant foul, and then he stares him down. Why would he do that? All the way out there, there's no reason to commit that foul. He's staring him down. What's going on here? I really believe that karma will come back to Zaza eventually. So if you're a Westbrook fan, a Thunder fan, don't worry. Something bad is going to happen to him. Durant hits the three, and then the funniest play of the night, Westbrook is going to travel here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give that guy a manual. What are you doing? Westbrook throws down a mean one-handed slam. He's mad now. But so is Durant. Another three, splash. He's killing his former teammate. Now he crosses over Westbrook. They got a foul. And then he's going to go talk to him and say, yeah, I got you. Remember that? I used to do that in practice to you all the time. I got you on national television. Look at Clark going all the way, crazy layup. Look who's there to put it back up and in. Durant. I'm telling you, when he plays against the Thunder, he's vicious. Another three. What can I say? Killing his former team. Kevin Durant and the Warriors easily defeat his former team, the Thunder, by 21. The Bulls are fighting their way back. Shot clock cheese. Robin Lopez fakes the pass, goes off the glass, and one. We've got ourselves a ball game here going into the fourth quarter. Rondo finds Wade, quick pass, right back outside. Oh my goodness, splash. All those quick touch passes, that was beautiful.